Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do a proper book description for your KDP books. Alright, so I have been receiving complaint on some of the questions on how to write a book description that sells, and also how to format your book description, particularly formatting your book descriptions. People have been complaining, and some have been getting issues, right? So in this video I'll be showing you how to. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and then hit the bell notification icon to get started. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get started. Now as you can see, we'll still be using this book here. Actually, I'm almost publishing this book. I'm done with the formatting. I'll tell you how I got the book description. So the Maldives Travel Guide 2025, just a basic book I just using for example. So as you can see, this is my book description I've done, but we're gonna start all over again. So how did I get this book description? Let me clean everything. Yeah, let me just erase everything. Alright, so first thing you do is not as hard as before, that you have to go to other websites like self-publishing titles and all that. All you have to do is just come to ChatGPT and ask him to write a professional, or let me just use a simple English, a detailed book description on, write a detailed book description on, you paste your title, Maldives Travel Guide 2025, enter. It will give us a detailed, comprehensive book description. Alright, so you can see it's actually writing too many English, which is not what I wanted. No. It's not what I actually wanted. This one is elaborating it too much. I don't know, it's because I put the detail. I don't used to put the detail because my ChatGPT is used to this particular prompt, so he understands what I want. Yeah, so but if your ChatGPT is not giving you something like this that you are seeing on your screen, then you ask him to give you a detailed book description. Yeah, so this is what I want, something like this. Yeah, with insider of what you get inside, and then you hook topic. So all you have to do is just copy it, and then ChatGPT have done almost all the work for you. So you just come over here, and then if you are using your phone, you copy it, and then you come here, and then you click, and then you click on, you can just click on paste. Yeah, you can see, so you paste it. Alright, so the moment you paste it, all you have to do is as you can see, your ultimate paradise escape. Yeah, so the heading is already there. Sometimes I used to underline it, but it's not as bad as it is. Then anywhere you see your title, you make it bold. Yes, and also sometimes it will write highlight, you will find. Sometimes it will say inside, you find. So sometimes I'll just write, I can just change this to highlights. Alright, highlights. Alright, so and you make it, I usually italize it, and then sometimes make it bold, though not always, but you can italize it. But let's just leave it bold for the sake of this video. Yeah, so you guys see a comprehensive, and I go through my description. Like I say, a comprehensive island overview, explore the stunning blah 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 accommodation inside, so that I'll make sure everything that is talking about is included in my travel guide. So if it's not included in my travel guide, I'll make sure I remove it. So if your travel guide doesn't have maps, and ChatGPT is telling people that okay, there is map, you will get map in this travel guide, just come and remove it. Get expert advice on, you see, transportation, visas, local development. So all these things are included in my travel guide. Delve into Maldivian tradition, blah 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 blah. So you can see, so the thing I just did, so just highlight it, make it bold, and then you are good to go. Alright, so I don't think this particular description have much to do. So sometimes when you are done, it will show you when you are trying to proceed. When you come down here to click on save and continue, it may be showing you a red line that okay, and it might write here that some characters are not supposed to be here, or some characters are what. So all you have to do is you click on this place, this one that is showing you source. You click on it twice. I don't know whether you understand. If you click on it twice, you see there is some alphabet that were here have disappeared, so you are good to go. The moment you click on source twice, it has already sourced out everything. Alright, so all you have to do is just you come down here and proceed. Alright, you proceed with save and continue, and you are good to go. Alright, you are good to go. So for travel guide, something like this is not bad. For cookbook, you can also get it from ChatGPT, and then you come and format it in your book description. Alright, so I don't know if you have any question, really drop it in the comment section. And I just want to do this short video because of the questions that have been coming and all that. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed.